Go touch Deacon's head.
40, 50. It's okay.
Go touch Deacon's head.
Okay, Deacon, that's 60. Deacon, bend your
Deacon.
head this way. It's okay.
Go touch his head. What's the matter? Come here, let's go touch his head. Come here. Come here. Should we touch Deacon's head? What's the matter? Look, it's the same Deacon.
I'll get you like
Lucy, what's the matter? What's the matter? Lydia, what's wrong? What? You're scared of Deacon?
Lydia, I'm just your brother.
How come you're scared of him?
Lydia, I'm right next to you.
Lydia, come here. Come talk to Mommy.
Lydia, I'm trying to sit down. Lydia.
Deacon, go to another chair. Lydia, come here. Come here, I want to talk to you. Come here.
I think she's going to have nightmares.
What's the matter?
Deacon's parents saved out.
Deacon what?
Deacon's parents saved.
What's wrong with that? What's the matter with that, honey?
It's so shaved.
It's so shaved?
Yeah.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
Why isn't it okay? What?
It's scary.
It's scary? Do you know his hair is going to grow back?
No.
Should we shave your head?
No.
I'm teasing. Don't worry, honey. His hair's going to grow back. If you look closely at his head, you can see where the hair's going to come back in. He wanted to do it. He has begged and begged me to do it. Is he scary looking? Well, he's still the same Deacon, huh? Look at him. Deacon, are you still the same boy?
Yeah, if I wasn't the same board, I would be an alien. And since aliens are not real.
Should we go touch his head?
No.
Why not?
Because Deacon is here, Lucy. It's okay.
Look, Liza will touch his head.
It's okay.
Oh, honey. Okay. It's okay, I promise.
Honey, posters here.
My goodness, who knew a head of hair would be so tragic?
That's his name.